Hey guys, what's up? Danny here, and today I'm going to be making a video on this up and coming winter storm that's going to impact the Northeast on Friday. And so, um, right now it's kind of looking like there might be a lot of dry air in place. So you can tell there's really big high pressure here that could make the system move extremely quickly and out of the Northeast very quickly. And so that would limit snow accumulations coming down. The recent models have been showing the system much weaker than you know than before, and so the CMC model, as you could tell, it shows some snow, but if you take a look at the total snowfall here, this is the 10 to 1 snow to liquid ratio. You know, it's looking like it could be like a 2 to 4 inch snowfall around the entire state of New Jersey. Realistically speaking, right? It's gonna be because the temperatures are going to be very low while it's going down, and the snow is also going to be light at the same time. So it's going to be fluffy snow, not heavy wet snow, and but it's not going to take a lot of that low moisture snow to accumulate because the temperatures are very low, and none of that snow that's going to be on the ground is going to melt. So let's see, NAM 3KM model. It's showing kind of basically central New Jersey getting impacted with the most snow here, like 2 to 4 inches of snow, and then North Jersey, South Jersey, 1 to 3 inches of snow there. And see, NAM 12KM model again, showing kind of the same stuff. And let me see. So it's gonna come through, and the snow is probably gonna be moderate, to moderate heavy snowfall for a short period of time, but then eventually it's gonna the system is like kind of just gonna weaken and stuff. And yeah, but let me see, let's take a look at the WRFARW. Okay, no, we can't see that yet because it only goes up to 48 hours, and so does this, but we can see the RGEM and the HRDPS model. And from here, you can kind of also tell where the heaviest snow is going to be. So here it's showing the low pressure system a little bit further off the coast. Now the NAM, same thing. It's basically showing the low pressure kind of in the same position, and then it's kind of like stretched out. So as you could tell, all the precipitation is kind of like stretched out towards the back there, and yeah, it's just not like a complete system. Doesn't have like a solid low pressure and everything. So definitely not too much snow. Probably localized 6 inches of snow amounts are possible, but it's looking like you know it's gonna start snowing Friday morning, and then it's gonna snow until about Friday night. But definitely nothing too much as what I can see right now. And let's see. So after this system, it's looking like there's gonna be a more humid um, pattern in the Northeast. So the temperatures are definitely gonna be higher, but this whole week the temperatures are gonna kind of remain below freezing, and then the beginning of like mid next week, I think. Yeah, that's when the temperatures are gonna start to. Um, Hold on. Okay, let's see the snow accumulation here. And again, from this whole system, obviously, it's showing some lake effect snow right now because, December was pretty warm, so the lakes aren't frozen, and there's going to be some lake effect snow. And then, obviously, the mountains of West Virginia, and North Carolina are probably going to get a solid, you know, 5 to 8 inches of snow on the mountaintops. But overall, though, throughout Pennsylvania and New Jersey, it's looking like a 1 to 3 inch snowfall, and then Central Jersey localized higher amounts and snow bands. And the system's gonna impact Massachusetts, Connecticut, New Hampshire. Definitely going to bring some snow to the shore points of New Jersey, more snow there, right? Because obviously they've been missing out, and the ground's really cold, so the snow is gonna stick. And so, yeah. So let's take a look at the ensemble models right now, and basically you take a look at the 2 meter temperature anomalies. You go through, and again, it's looking like the temperatures are really going to be increasing towards the end of January, and but then there could be more cold air that again comes down for February. But yeah, these storm systems have kind of been nuisance type of stuff. Nothing too major has been going on recently, but you know, we are in an El Nino winter, so there is definitely potential for a massive winter storm because the amount of moisture that we do have and warm air that can come from the south. And yeah, so the GEPS model again kind of showing the same thing, a lot of warmer air coming into. And then let's take a look at the snowfall throughout the entire period here on the GFS model 12Z, and so you guys can kind of get an idea of who's going to get the most snow. So obviously the Rockies in the west are going to get a lot of snow. It's looking like there's going to be a couple small winter systems coming through the northern portion of the Northeast and the upper Midwest. Not too much snow going through this area. The hillier locations and the locations most prone to lake effect snow are the ones that are going to be getting the most snow in the Northeast here. Again, right here, as you can tell, just east of Chicago, looking like there could be some very heavy snow bands because the cold air is going to be coming over the water that is still relatively not too cold. You know, the lakes are the coldest in like around February, right? And so, or I think even March they continue to cool down. But yeah, as you can tell, so that's kind of my update for now. It's looking like not too much of like big winter storms going on, um, but yeah. So hope you guys enjoyed this video. Have a great day and peace out.